Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for you where we will compare two amazing Canon cameras, the Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS R7. If you're into photography or videography, this video is for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's get started. Starting with the price, the Canon EOS M200 is available at $649, while the Canon EOS R7 comes with a price tag of $1,899. Keep in mind that these prices are subject to change, so make sure to check the current prices before making a purchase decision. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras deliver impressive performance. The Canon EOS M200 features dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF, ensuring fast and accurate autofocus. Similarly, the Canon EOS R7 boasts the Digic X image processor, enhancing autofocus performance for sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos. In terms of image quality, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS M200 sports a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, delivering high-resolution images with great detail. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 utilizes Canon's 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring crisp and stunning images that will leave you amazed. For video enthusiasts, both cameras offer impressive capabilities. The Canon EOS M200 supports 4K video and 4K time-lapse movies, allowing you to capture moments in stunning detail. Similarly, the Canon EOS R7 provides high-quality video with its full-range lens compatibility and high-speed continuous shooting, making it an excellent choice for capturing action-packed scenes. Moving on to the additional features, the Canon EOS M200 includes a combination tripod grip and remote control, giving you more flexibility in capturing your shots. It also supports the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, which allows you to use the camera as a high-quality webcam. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 comes with a vibrant LED screen, 5-axis image stabilization, and a compact and lightweight design, making it perfect for your photography adventures. And there you have it, a comprehensive comparison of the Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS R7. Both cameras offer unique features and great performance, catering to different needs and preferences. Ultimately, the choice depends on your budget and specific requirements. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.